Hello, this is a Four Seasons Seville spinner in polished brass finish. It's extremely small. It's only 70 centimeters across, so that's a very unusual size for a ceiling fan. Everything about it is very unusual. It's not double claw mounted with a flat canopy. This one is ball and socket. The finish on the blade is a fake dark oak finish. It's not stained wood, and it's got a big nut at the bottom, which in this nut it contains the capacitor and the wires for the light kit. This is what it looks like when the cover of the nut is removed. As you can see, there's a capacitor here and there's the wires for adding a light kit here, and this is what the little cover looks like, and that nut here at the bottom is removable to add a light kit, and it holds to the rest of the fan with two screws that goes here in these holes, so it goes like this. Basically. Unfortunately, all the stickers on the top of the motor were peeled, so I cannot know the date, but I'm pretty sure it would be from 1986. It's got to be at least 86 because it's got skinnier blades with the fake oak finish. Four Seasons have started to use fake wood finish from 1986 and on. 85 and before, they were still using the nice stained wood teak blades with the white cane. So this would be normally at least 1986. And it's got the short down rod design, so it's perfect for a pretty low ceiling. The canopy is made like most of other Four Seasons canopy that uses the short down rod design, but one of the differences is that you can probably see the mounting bracket here around the ball. This part here, this thing, that's because the opening for the ball is a lot wider than on any other Four Seasons canopy I've seen. So that's another pretty unusual thing about it, the wide opening here. So it's got a lot of unusual things about it. Of course, all the speeds are very fast because it's the blades are so short, and this is the same size of motor that they use on the 90 centimeter Seville. So normally this motor can drive much larger, much wider blade spans, but it does throw a really good amount of air for having such short and skinny blades. So I guess right now it does about like 300 RPMs. Yeah, pretty good air movement. It's got an audible hum though. It's very well balanced, and the bearings are very good, very silent. It has a very good spin down time. Here it is on the second highest speed. It's still very fast. It's probably 240 240 RPMs or 250 RPMs or so. Now here is the second lowest speed. That's probably about 200 RPMs. It's what a lot of much larger size fan does on their full speed. And you still feel a lot of air. And now here's the lowest speed. That's probably about 120 RPMs. It's much quieter at this speed. Thank you for watching.